In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI agent in Gumloop, step by step. We'll build a reliable email assistant that classifies incoming messages and drafts safe, review-ready replies. Start by logging into Gumloop and selecting Create Workflow. Give it a clear, purpose-driven name like AI Email Assistant. Draft replies, so you and your team immediately know what it's for. Next, decide how your workflow will receive emails. You can start simple with manual input for testing, set up email forwarding, connect a Gmail or Outlook integration if it's available to you, or trigger from a webhook. For a beginner-friendly setup, add an input step with 3 fields: email subject, email body, and sender email. This makes it easy to feed sample messages while you fine-tune the flow. Before using AI, clean the content. Add a text, cleanup, or format step to strip signatures, normalize spacing, and extract the main message. Clean input leads to better understanding and dramatically improves downstream results. Now classify the email with an AI classification step. Ask the model to return one category only, such as sales inquiry, customer support, appointment request, general question, or spam. This single decision controls what happens next and lets you route work precisely. Add conditional logic with if and else paths. For example, sales messages can route to a sales reply path, support questions to a support response, and spam can be ignored or tagged. This branching is what makes your assistant feel smart and context aware. With routing in place, add an AI text generation step to draft the reply. Prompt the model to write a professional, friendly email in a warm, clear, and concise tone. Tell it not to promise anything and to ask clarifying questions if needed. Pass in the cleaned email body as the source. If you want, you can guide the style to match your brand voice. Keep responses to 3 to 5 sentences and include a simple call to action. Layer in safety rules. Instruct the assistant not to send emails automatically, not to discuss pricing unless approved, not to make legal promises, and to request confirmation when uncertain. These guardrails keep responses on brand and compliant. Choose where the draft goes. Save it to Gmail, send it to a Google Doc, post to Slack for review, or store it in your CRM or a sheet. Best practice is draft, human review, then send. Test with real sample emails, review the drafts, adjust prompts and rules, and keep refining tone and accuracy. When you're confident, add advanced features like auto-tagging, lead extraction, priority scoring, SLA alerts, multi-language replies, or scheduling links. Finally, automate and schedule, trigger on new emails, run it 24/7, and enable logs for tracking. You now have a dependable